Turn off your phone.
You were putting your face.
Action!
Hear the music.
I think cameras are allowed though.
And go. Okay, Cheetah, go. Please come out. No. Oh God.
Wait, you're in the audience. Audience is quiet.
You're going to get sap. Touch the tree and you get sap on it.
So what happens, Serafina? He touches the tree,
And then
gets sap.
turn off your phone.
It's a camera. It's not a phone.
I got sap on my finger. No. Uh-oh.
The penguin got sap on his finger.
Hey, Cheetah.
Uh-oh, he's getting sap. Sticky. What's he gonna do? So sticky. And along came a cheetah.
I think the cheetah's doing it.
Here comes the cheetah.
Then the cheetah gets stuck.
The cheetah licked it all off.
The cheetah licked off the sap. I guess it must be your turn. This is our orchestra.
Can I play this? Okay. Back again.
Dancing, 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 dancing. I might turn off your phone. Turn off your phone.
No, it's a camera. Listen, so we can see it later.
Turn off
Please
your
don't.
Turn off your phone. Turn off.
I know, it's not a phone, it's a camera.
No, it's your phone. Oh. It's making me lose my ticket. That's a phone.
I guess
That's not a camera. That's you turn on your phone.
I put it on silent.
What?
I put it on vibrate.
He's a penguin who tries to jump on me?
Vibrate?
It's okay, I put it on vibrate.
But what's vibrate?
It means it won't make noise during the play.
Sorry.
Okay. Tell me when I go out. Oh, all right. Tell me when I come out as a monkey.
But it's but your phone's on.
Listen.
I'll tell her.
It's not a phone, it's a camera.
Xander.
I turn off your phone.
You want to be a monkey with me?
Turn off your phone.
You're watching.